video we're going to show you how to make two different recipes of a cold cappuccino. First recipe, we need a glass, in this case plastic cup 0.3 liters. First of all, we need to fill up till 3/4 the cup with some ice cubes, like that. Cold milk, in this case you can use also vegetable mix like soy milk, almond milk or others. Fill up your cup till this level to get some room for the coffee, and then we just add 1 shot of coffee. If you want a stronger version, you can use a double shot, so just add the other one. And there you go for the first recipe. Second recipe, again with your glass, cold milk, 1 shot of coffee and frozen milk from the coffee machine. So we need to use the steam wand to froth the milk, and we're going to use just the cream on top. So let's start with the second. Fill up the glass with ice cubes. So this level again. Some milk. Again, you can use soy milk, almond milk, every single type of milk. Now, some cream from a frozen milk in order to create a smooth surface on top, like that. Wonderful. And then we're going to pour our shot of coffee. You can also add some cacao powder on top to the finish. And there you go. Enjoy.